My name's Verona Larkin. This is a 1971 MG BGT. I've had the car for approximately 12 years, and I'm actually the secretary just elected of the Blackall range Horseless Carriage Club. I've had several MGBs and Triumph sports cars throughout my life, probably from the age of about 17 to 35. Then I had no cars for quite some time when I moved to Queensland and bought, as I said, bought this car 12 years ago. I've had a big background with motor vehicles, with motor racing. I had 15 years pushing racing cars around the circuits in New South Wales and Victoria, Queensland and South Australia. The cars I raced ranged from a Triumph Spitfire, a Cooper S sports sedan, Formula V, little MG Midget for the MG Car Company in Sydney, and then a Clubman sports car and a rear-engined sports car, Group A sports car, which Jeff McGrath, my surrogate father and mechanic on the race cars, built in 1979-80. That's about the story of it, actually. I haven't sat my bum in a race car since 1985, but I still keep in touch with a lot of the guys that I raced with, and we're great friends. And that's about it. Thank you.